Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories.
Hello everyone and welcome to the new video. For last couple of days I have been not super active on social media. I have been rejuvenating, went for Vipassana, started doing yoga, and now I'm back. Starting with all the Christmas decor. I like to keep them in these bins, organized, and if you have watched the last year's video, I have shared a detailed video how I organized all my Christmas decor. These IKEA bins have been my absolute favorite to organize all my loft area. Like each year, this year as well, I'll start with my Christmas tree. This Christmas tree has been with me for a very long time. Didn't get a chance to buy anything new, nor I got a chance to DIY anything. So I'll be repurposing as many decors as possible. So sit tight and enjoy and see how I repurposed all the existing decor.
Kiss a bit and dream away. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you.
Last year I picked these beautiful crystal-like decor pieces. They were in form of snowflakes and snowdrops. They looked really pretty. I think the best time to pick Christmas decor is right after Christmas. They are at absolute sale. I'm also making some cute little wreaths. You can use these wreaths to decorate your gift boxes or make a napkin ring during the Christmas season. But this time, since we are planning a Christmas birthday party for Rishi, the table decor will be very simple. And I'll be sharing a detailed video how I planned the Christmas birthday with all the existing decor and lots of DIY.
Come joining us all, the feeling is here today. Come on now, let's go, caroling through the snow all day. We've been good, but we can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now. I can't wait to see what's under the Christmas tree for you and me. Oh, little bear toys that cuddle and woo, dinosaurs, boats, and kitty cats too. Santa Claus is coming. I know that Santa Claus is coming. Wake up with a smile, the feeling is right today. Magic in the air, 'cause something is waiting for me. Oh, I've been good, but I can last. Hurry Christmas, hurry now.
If you don't like a large Christmas tree or you don't have the space for it, these tiny bottle brush trees look so elegant and it makes the space look really chic and wow. Also, another way, if you do not like the sense of Christmas, then Just to embrace winter or celebrate winter, decorating a decorative bowl with pine cones and some dried leaves or evergreens will make a perfect winter decor. Since I am decorating for Ishi's birthday simultaneously, I have added this plastic tablecloth on top of this fabric tablecloth. It protects my tablecloth from all the mess that kids are planning to have on the table.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
I always like to keep my decor very practical at the same time being decorative. Like having coasters on coffee table is mandatory for me. Similarly, having salt and jaggery on my dining table is mandatory. Last year we made these very beautiful cardboard ornaments. We have a detailed video on this. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please subscribe to the channel. I'll be sharing more content in upcoming days. So stay tuned and I'll see you in my next video. I'll leave you with the final look and music. Hope you enjoy. Bye bye.